You know it's a vibrant new life, it's a promise. Keep striving for more, no more limitations. Passion in communication, reaching every heart, all generations. Innovating for the community, we are bring unity, movement with a new energy. Yeah, so you can be yourself now. We're coming through, gonna help out. No slack, we got your back, no holding you down. Stay up like that. So you can be yourself now. Your family, so we're gonna help out. No slack, we got your back, no holding you down. Stay up like that. It's so fresh, this is what freedom feels like. It's the best, a whole new world to take you higher, higher, higher. Yeah, we're better together.